Welcome to guys my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers easily from officially site, which is www.gigabyte.com. You can see. So first come to this website, then you can see right inside corner search button. You just search and then you type your model number which is you require the driver, then hit enter. Now your model number motherboard searching. Then guys click to product. Then guys click to here the model number motherboard. Then guys click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. If you have any, you can watch this video and install, because installations process same. LAN driver. LAN driver guys, you can see this is first latest. Just click to download. It is start downloaded and it will complete, it will show here and just open. After that I show you how to install the LAN driver of this motherboard. So it is completed, just open. Then guys double click to open that LAN driver. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will take some time, might be because this is latest drivers to override to your old driver. So it will close automatically, means this is installed.